So here we see someone with this long, gorgeous ginger colored hair who ends up getting this stunning bob haircut. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we see this pixie hair transformation. So what I really like about this pixie is that it is like very 90s inspired. She's got the swoop bangs going there. I love the way that that frames her face. So here is the full transformation. She starts off with like this long, beautiful hair, and then the stylist cuts it right off and into a beautiful pixie. So here we have someone else who wants to try out a bob. It's like the stylist did a very nice, chic, blunt bob cut here. Alright, so let's see. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Gorgeous pixie makeover. Oh my goodness. What I love about this cut is the fact that he made her look so much younger. He knocked so many years, I'd say at least about like 20 years. Wow. She looks absolutely incredible. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.